Hello everyone, welcome back to Anana's nursing tutorial. Today I have set some MCQ questions on pediatric nursing. So let's start it. The Apgar scoring is done to appraise the infant for birth defects, respiratory effort, RH sensitization, emotional stability. Right option is respiratory effort. Apgar, the term means A for appearance, P for pulse, G for grimace or reflex, and A for activity, R for respiration. So within the option there is only the respiratory effort which can be assessed by this Apgar score. A promising treatment for some children suffering from thalassemia is bone marrow transplantation, chemotherapeutic agents, radiation therapy or steroidal therapy. Right option is bone marrow transplantation. Next, when physiological jaundice appears in newborn baby? At birth, on second week, on second day, first week after birth. Right option is on second day. Physiological jaundice generally appears on 2 to 3 days after birth. So on second day is the right option. Another type of jaundice is pathological jaundice which appears within 24 hours of birth. So pathological jaundice will appear at birth or physiological jaundice will appear on second day after birth. Which of the following fontanelle in child is first to close? Frontal, occipital, sphenoid or mastoid? Right option is occipital. Occipital fontanelle is also called as posterior fontanelle because occipit lies at the back side of the head. So occipital fontanelle is also called as posterior fontanelle and it closes within 1.5 month of age. So occipital fontanelle is the first one to close. In following, which is not a preventive measure for tetanus neonatorum? TT vaccination, follow 5 clean rule, TT immunization during reproductive age, penicillin antibiotic. Right option is penicillin antibiotic. Rest of these three are done as a preventive measure for tetanus neonatorum. At which age a child can start to brush his teeth? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years or 20 months? Right option is 3 years. To calculate the dose of a medicine for a child, which of the following formula is used? Young's rule, Clark's rule, Freud's rule or all of the above? Right option is all of the above. Young's rule, Clark's rule, Freud's rule, all of these are used to formulate the dose of a medicine in child. In following, which vaccine is given at birth by intradermal route? OPV, BCG, DPT or measles? Right option is BCG. It is given at birth. Measles is not given at birth. The other three, OPV, BCG and DPT, are given at birth. But OPV is given by oral route, DPT is given by intramuscular or IM route. Only BCG is given by intradermal route. That means it is given within the dermis layer of the skin. So a scar develops in the skin where BCG is given. So BCG is given by intradermal route. In premature labor, which of the following medicines is useful for the newborn? Magnesium sulfate, oxytocin, dexamethasone or testosterone? Right option is dexamethasone. Wilms tumor is a tumor of kidney, brain, testis, liver. Right option is kidney. Wilms tumor is a tumor of kidney. Anterior fontanelle is ossified soon after birth, at 6 weeks, at 18 months, at 5 years. Right option is at 18 months or 1.5 years of age. In children, which is the most appropriate route for measuring temperature? Oral, axillary, rectal or elbow? Right option is axillary. Components of ORS include NaCl, that means sodium chloride, potassium chloride, water and sugar. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium citrate and sugar. Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium bicarbonate or sugar and sugar, or sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride and water. Right option is number B, that is sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium citrate and sugar. ORS includes these components. When a child is suffering from dyspnea, first of all, what nursing care will you provide to the child? Start IV infusion, provide supine position, start oxygen therapy, start nebulization. Right answer is start oxygen therapy. Dyspnea means difficulty in respiration. So when a child suffers from difficulty in respiration, first of all a nurse has to provide oxygen therapy. After that you have to provide the supine position and start nebulization or IV infusion. But according to priority, oxygen therapy is the first nursing care that has to provide. After birth of a baby, breastfeeding should be started within 2 hours, within half an hour, on second day, after 1 week. Right answer is within half an hour. Breastfeeding should be started. So this is all about today. We will meet next Saturday with another video. So subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos and share with your batchmates.